thou shalt confess with thy mouth the Lord Jesus, and shalt believe in thine heart that God hath raised him from the dead, thou shalt be saved. If thou shalt confess with thy mouth the Lord Jesus, and shalt believe in thine heart that God hath raised him from the dead, thou shalt be saved. For he hath made him to be sin for us who knew no sin, that we might be made the righteousness of God in him. If thou shalt confess with thy mouth thy Lord Jesus, and shalt believe in thine heart that God hath raised him from the dead, thou shalt be saved.